sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay alamin naman natin itong complete list ng mga cabinet secretaries po na nag-resign as of today, May 22, 2025. Ayan, so as of 6:30 PM. Ayan, so nandito po yung complete list po mga maestro. Ito po ay ayon pa nga sa directive po ng PBBM ng Pangulong Marcos na magkaroon po ng courtesy resignation ang kanyang po mga member ng cabinet. Ayan. So unahin po natin sa listahan itong si Jose Rizalino L. Aguzar ng Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development or DHS-UD. Sumunod naman po ay si Conrado M. Estrella III ng Department of Agrarian Reform or DAR. Next po si Patricia Yvonne Kaunan ng Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWA. Next po si Juan Edgardo M. Argara ng Department of Education or DepEd. Next po is si Henry Ruel R. Aguda ng Department of Information and Communication Technology or DICT. Next is Francisco P. Chu Laurel Jr. ng Department of Agriculture or DAR. Next is Ralph G. Recto ng Department of Finance or DOF. Next po is si Enrique M. Manalo ng Department of Foreign Affairs or DFA. Next is Juanito Victor C. Remulla or John Vic Remulla ng Department of Interior and Local Government or DILG. Next is Maria Esperanza Cristina G. Frasco ng Department of Tourism or DOT. Next po is si Jesus Crispin C. Remulla ng Department of Justice or DOJ. Next naman is Ernesto V. Perez ng Anti-Red Tape Authority or ARTAD Director. Next is Vivencio Dizon ng Department of Transportation or DOTR. Next is Hans Leo G. Kakdak ng Department of Migrant Workers or DMW. Next is Amena F. Pangandaman ng Department of Budget and Management or DBM. Next is JB.C. Ruiz, Presidential Communications Office or PCO. Next is Rexlon T. Gatchalian ng Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD. Next is Arsenio Balisacan ng Department of Economy, Planning and Development or DepDep. Next is Lucas P. Berzamin ng Executive Secretary. Next is Maria Antonia Y. Loizaga ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DNR. Next naman is si Benvenido E. Laguesma ng Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE. Next we have Rafael P.M. Lotilia ng Department of Energy or DOE. Next is Gilbert C. Teodoro Jr. ng Department of National Defense or DND. Next is Minardo L. Guevara ng Office of the Solicitor General. Next is Renato U. Solidum Jr. ng Department of Science and Technology o DOST. Next is Romando Artes ng Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA. Next, Eduardo M. Año ng National Security Council. Next, we have Maria Cristina A. Roque ng Department of Trade in Industry or DTI. Next is Teodoro G. Herbosa ng Department of Health or DOH. Next, we have Frederick D. Co., Presidential Advisor on Investment and Economic Affairs. Next is Antonio Ernesto F. Lagdameo Jr. ng Office of the Special Assistant to the President. Next is Jose Francisco Benitez ng Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA. Next is Larry Gadon ng Presidential Advisor on Poverty Alleviation. And last po is Mark Leandro Mendoza ng Presidential Advisor on Legislative Affairs. Alright, so far po, yun po yung 34 mga maestro. So we have 34, yan po ay unofficial. Yan po ay based lang po sa mga nakalap nating information po, sa mga legit sources po natin. So 34 na mga cabinet secretaries so far ang nagpa-file na po or nag-file na ng kanilang resignation. Ito may kunglayan pa nga rin po sa directive po ng Pangulong Marcos patungkol nga dito sa kanyang pagre-revamp sa kanyang mga cabinet secretaries. Ayan, so nag-order po siya ng courtesy resignation. Ayan, so alabangan po natin bukas yung ibang mga cabinet secretaries na hindi pa rin po nababanggit. Mayroon pa pong mangilan-ilan na so far ay hindi pa po nag-file ng kanilang courtesy resignation. So malay natin bukas po makompleto na lahat po yan. So far we have Muli, we have 34, 34 na mga cabinet secretaries ang officially nag-file na po ng kanilang courtesy resignation sa Office of the President. Alright, so dito ko natatapusin itong ating video ngayon mga ka-maestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na in-upload natin. Katulad ito yung mga updates pa rin about sa ating national government, sa DepEd, and syempre sa mga benefits ng mga government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!